There are calls this evening for the campaign directors of the Jamaica Labour Party and the People's National Party to rein in their supporters to ensure order on the nation's streets during the rest of the campaign trail. The National Road Safety Council made the request Wednesday amid fear more Jamaicans could get hurt as the political fanfare gets into high gear in the next week and a half. The details from Dwayne Anderson.
Not one, but two serious incidents on the campaign trail that have resulted in death and injury in St. Catherine and St. Thomas respectively. Both came in the last few days alone. The National Road Safety Council's leadership is alarmed and wants the leadership of the two main political parties to act.
In this context then of multiple concerns about crashes on our roads, I call upon campaign managers to ensure that their supporters follow the rules of the road during the rest of the campaign, in order to prevent any further loss of life and serious injuries. Call upon the police to continue to enforce all aspects of the Road Traffic Act without fear or favor.
The data from road crashes so far in 2024 is, however, relatively encouraging.
At the midpoint of February, police reports indicate that 46 persons have died on the nation's roads so far, down 11% compared to the same time last year. A welcome improvement.
In the meantime, the NRSC vice chairman also shared a complaint from the country's light and power company, JPS.
The revelation by JPS in a recent meeting with the National Road Safety Council that on average 3 crashes daily are affecting their infrastructure and in some instances causing prolonged power outages. Further, that the revelation by JPS that road crashes are causing power outages and affecting productivity is yet another reason why the reduction of crashes on our roads ought to become a serious national priority.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.